What's really great about the whole situation is that the actual research will indicate that yes, indeed, mini implants hold the same strength, the same longevity as an actual conventional implant. And that's in the mini implants have been out there. People think this is an actual new thing. They've been out there since the actual 50s. Thankfully, those pioneers were out there doing the work and doing the hard work, and now it's gotten to the point where absolutely they are as strong, if not stronger. And the other thing about conventionals I think is important is there's a lot of steps to it, and there's a lot of parts to it. And so when you have a conventional that's in your bone and you uncover it without getting too complex, you have to put another piece of instrument on it to take an impression. Then you have the lab take that piece off and put another piece on. And so the point is there's a lot of different steps, a lot of opportunity for human error. And with the mini implant, which is a one-piece implant, you just have a top ball and a square, and that's what we end up cementing on. So we know exactly where the implant is all the time.